making tonight?
Sweet potato chicken nachos. So we started by slicing up.
We used our mandolin to slice our sweet potatoes.
And then we put salt and pepper. No, just salt.
Just salt.
And they're cooking.
No, we put them on a oven-safe cooling rack on this baking sheet, and in a single layer. What's our oven preheated to?
400.
400, and these are gonna go in for 15 minutes.
Oh, that's a lot.
Then we're gonna flip them and do another 10.
10?
Yeah. And while these are cooking, we are gonna make our chicken.
Yeah.
And I'm smart tonight. I'm using a big enough pan.
Unlike last night.
All right, so we're gonna heat this pan up. What did I dice up here?
Onions.
1 onion and 1
green pepper.
green pepper.
Green bell pepper.
Green bell pepper. Can you get that open?
I just ripped the bag.
That's fine. Oh, Dad's home.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this chicken open and in the pan. So
Can I dump it
in a minute. We're gonna brown this, and then when it's almost brown, we're gonna add those veggies in. All right, dump that in.
Dude.
Is there paper on it? Yeah, we gotta pull that off.
That's not good.
Boop. All
I
right.
get a spoon.
Yep, and we'll be back once our veggies and chicken are done.
Okay, so it's time to make the taco seasoning.
All right.
And
Chili powder first?
we need the bowl.
No, we're gonna just put it in here. It goes right in
Okay.
here. Chili powder first. Yep. All around. I don't know. You can use store-bought taco seasoning, or you can make your own. We just kind of wing it, right? Yeah.
That should be good.
More. More. Don't shake it like that. It'll fly out. Yeah, tapping it. Keep going. That's only like a teaspoon. Keep going. Alright. Now close that up. You don't have to put it away. You can just leave it out. Cumin. That's probably about a tablespoon. That comes out faster, so don't do it as hard. Keep going though. We're not left and let it. Alright. About a tablespoon of that. Just a little bit of oregano. Okay.
Smells like mint.
It's not. It's oregano. Probably about a teaspoon of that. A little bit more. There you go. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Not too much salt because you're going to add some tagine.
Yeah. We're sneaking some tagine in it. I can just shake it.
Okay, but that takes longer.
A lot comes out.
Alexa, volume 3. Alright. And then go ahead and do your tagine.
Let's do the dumpy side.
This is optional. If you guys don't have it, it's not a big deal. That's fine. That's good. Now that's plenty.
We got another bottle of this.
Alright, now get another spoon out. Because we're going to add some salsa in
And
here.
Cholula. Do we just put them on the spoon?
What?
Get the spoon?
Yeah. You just use the spoon, scoop out some salsa.
And then pour some Cholula on the spoon?
No, just pour the Cholula right into here. Come over here with that so you're not walking with it. I'm going to do about 1/4 of a cup of salsa. Do another big scoop. Another big scoop. Maybe 1/3 of a cup of salsa. We'll see how it looks when I stir it around. Leave that now and add some Cholula. I might add a little bit more. Let's see what it looks like. We want it kind of saucy.
That salsa's good.
Yeah. We use a mild salsa because we like to add our own spice. Sprinkle it all around. That's good. That's good. That's a lot.
What?
You might add a smidge more salsa just to make this a little more saucy.
Another big scooper.
And one more big scooper, yeah. And then we're just going to cook this for a couple minutes And then set it aside until our nachos are ready.
Wait,
That's good. Hit it like this. Yeah.
Don't mind it a little extra.
A little extra.
Do I get to
salt.
lick this spoon?
You may lick that spoon now because we're not using it anymore. All right, we'll be back when the nachos are done cooking when we put it all together.
Yep. So I'm gonna slice a couple tomatoes, and while she's flipping the nachos, do I just cut them in half?
Half or thirds if they're big.
I'll just cut them all in half. I don't really care.
That's fine. I'm just getting some toppings ready, right? And then we're gonna make some guacamole.
Do we put the tomatoes in the guacamole?
No, because they're gonna go on top of the nachos.
All of these?
Yeah.
Okay.
So-
Wait. So,
Yes, honey.
wait. Are the tomatoes gonna cook down?
A little bit. We're gonna, after these are
But I don't
crispy-
want whole tomato, like half tomato.
Well, then why are you cutting them so big?
I don't know.
Alright, you can tell them
Yeah, we'll be back when
we're done
Yeah.
with this.
we're done with that. So we put all our nachos on one pan. We added our meat mixture. We have all of our tomatoes cut up, and our guacamole's in the fridge.
We're gonna add our tomatoes to here now. As soon as I spread this out.
Got our cheese.
Can't forget cheese on nachos. Alright, you wanna start sprinkling those tomatoes in here?
Oh, tomatoes.
Yep. And then the
Dumpy?
cheese. Well, should kind of separate them a little bit so they're all over. Right?
This can go to this house.
Careful. Whoa! There we go. That's fine. Rinse that off. We'll just move them around a little bit, spread them out. And then we're gonna put some cheese and pop these back in the oven just for about 5 minutes to melt that cheese. Boop, boop. Are you doing the cheese?
Yeah.
Yes? Alright.
1 second.
Hurry up, cheese man. I'm gonna start. Make sure you get all those nachos. Oh, see if we get some cheese.
Even though he already had enough today. Just line the whole thing.
These look really good.
Except for the tomato.
It's like tacos. You'll be fine.
I don't like tomatoes.
But you eat them. Oh, he stole some cheese. Excuse you, I'm not done yet. Alright, and then while these are in the oven, we're gonna go grab some cilantro to throw on top too. And then it'll be time to eat, right?
Yep.
See you guys later.
See you guys later. Bye. We'll see you next time.